Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then subscribe and hit the notification bell and like this video. And welcome to the Weird Catwalk. Woo! Next, please. Yeah, hi. Hi. You think I'm pretty, right? Yeah. Thank you. Wow, a normal person. I thought it was called the Weird Catwalk. Yeah, it's not. Hopefully today there's not any weird people. Yeah, hopefully. What? Why did the stage just move? And why is there a hand on it? Hi. I'm so attractive to all the girls. All the girls love me. Do they? I wish. Yeah, they do. Yeah. Next, please. You're so funny. Next, please. Hi. Next, please. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. There's actually some normal people. Yeah, they think I'm normal. But in my spare time, I relax and think I'm on a tropical island. What did she just say? What has happened? I feel like there's someone on us. Next, please. Not too bad, yeah. Oh no, there's a hand on the catwalk. And it's moving. Scary. Yeah, you better give me all the votes because if you don't, then I'll hate you. Wait a minute, I hate everyone. Then I will yeah. You're so mean. Go away. What? Security! No, you cannot take me away. No, yes, no, come on! No. Right. Next, please. Yeah, bro, come on, I'm coming. Hi, I said hi first. No, I said hi first. You're so mean. No. Next, please. Oh, go away. No, you go away. No. Next, please. I hope it's a normal person. We wish. Hi, my name is Bread, and I like pie. Why? Because my name is Bread! Okay. Next, please. He just disappeared. No, I'm back. My name is Bread! And I like pie. Please, could you go now? No, because my name is Bread! Security! I'm coming. No, you can't take me away. My name is Bread, and I like pie. So that means you can't. Anyone else named Bread. Oh, that was annoying. You're so funny. Oh my goodness. We didn't say anything. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. He's just disappeared. No, I didn't. Oh my goodness, you're so funny. What? Oh my goodness. Next, please. Yeah. Who's next? I don't know. Hello? Is anyone there? I'm here. Hi. Yeah, so basically, I'm pretty, so go away! What? Okay, right. Next, please. We need a whole stage for this. Okay. I'll go. You ready? I'm as ready as a peanut. Go! You spin me wild, wild, baby. Wild, wild, baby. Wild, wild. Next, please. I think that was the last one. Wait a minute. They said they were going to do an end thing. Oh, yeah. Let's see. I wonder what it's about. I don't know what it is about. Oh, this is going to be so funny. Okay, everyone. You ready for the end thing? You better be. Okay. We need plates for everyone to see. Can you see me? I don't know what that sound is, but we love it. Can you see everyone? Let me check. Yes, you can see everyone, but it's kind of blurry, but that's okay. There you go. Okay, everyone, we're ready. If you see something strange on a catwalk, you can call Ghostbusters! Ah! Ghostbusters! Woo, 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 woo. If you see something strange in a catwalk, you can call Ghostbusters! Yeah, Ghostbusters! See something strange in a catwalk, you can call Ghostbusters! Yeah, Ghostbusters! Ah! You're so annoying! No, you are! Ah! If you see something strange in a catwalk, you can call Ghostbusters! Ah! Ghostbusters! See something strange. If you see something strange in that, if you see something strange in that, if you see something strange in a catwalk, you gonna call Ghostbusters. You see something strange in the catwalk, you gonna call Ghostbusters. See something strange in the cat.